Have you heard of cosmetic acupuncture or facial acupuncture and are curious to know more about it? Today, I'm going to do an Acupuncture 101 to answer the most common questions that have been asked about cosmetic acupuncture. Hi everyone, my name is Zen and I'm a licensed acupuncturist, herbalist, and founder of Healing with Zen. So what exactly is cosmetic acupuncture? Cosmetic acupuncture is a natural, holistic way to really improve your appearance on the face, with so many additional benefits for the body. Cosmetic acupuncture does involve needles. They're actually very tiny needles that we put at certain acupressure points along the face, and this can help by increasing collagen production all around the face, as well as increasing circulation throughout the face to help minimize the look of fine lines, dark spots, and blemishes, as well as improve overall complexion and brighten the skin. There's also a big lymphatic movement that happens when we're using needles on the face. So this really helps with puffiness and helps slim down and sculpt the face. What I love about cosmetic acupuncture is that you're not only treating the surface area of fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, whatever it might be. We're really working internally on the body. In Chinese medicine, we say that when you are nice and well balanced on the inside, it'll naturally show and radiate on the outside. And so I love cosmetic acupuncture because yes, we're working on your face, but we also always do needles on the hands and feet as well, just to balance out the body. A lot of my patients love the effects because not only do they feel better on their face and their skin, but they notice other things improve, like their digestion gets more regular, their sleep gets better, their energy is higher than before, and they overall feel more vibrant. Another common question that I get asked is, how many sessions will I need? Well, this really is determined by your current health state. If there are underlying issues that we need to treat, like headaches or high blood pressure, we always have to treat that first before we can work directly on the face. On average though, a normal facial acupuncture treatment course is 10 treatments, 2 treatments every week for 5 weeks. That is the basic protocol, and like I said, it will differ depending on your current state and what it is you're trying to achieve. The results should last up to 3 years depending on your diet, lifestyle, and maintenance. Another question that I get asked is, how does this differ from other kind of facial rejuvenation type of treatments like Botox or laser? One of the main things I love about cosmetic acupuncture is that there is virtually no downtime. You will leave your treatment feeling more relaxed, with a natural glow on your face, and not only look better, but feel better too. And not have to worry about bruises or any kind of issue on the face that you might get when you do a treatment like laser or Botox or something more invasive. Another common question is, does facial acupuncture hurt? You will usually feel a slight prick on the points when we're inserting them, but it should feel really relaxing right after. You will be laying with the needles about 25-30 minutes, and most of our patients feel so good and relaxed that they end up taking a nap during their treatment. This is how you know that your body is changing and healing from the inside out. Lastly, can acupuncture treat other health concerns? And the answer is absolutely. Like I mentioned, we always put some body points when we're doing cosmetic acupuncture, and we really focus on balancing what we see as imbalanced. As a practitioner of Chinese medicine, we are trained to be able to take your pulse and look at the tongue to see where your imbalances lie and try to balance you out while we're doing the cosmetic acupuncture. A lot of times people will search for our services when they're trying to find relief for things like neck pain, jaw pain, or sinus issues, and these can all be treated with facial acupuncture. Not to mention sagging skin or sagging eyelid, or something like Bell's palsy, where you lose motor control in half of your face. Acupuncture is one of the only things that can help speed up the healing when it comes to Bell's palsy. So if you're ready to give cosmetic acupuncture a shot, please reach out to us. Our phone number is 626-377-9596, or you can book using our online booking site at our website, healingwithzen.com. If you're not quite ready yet, to try cosmetic acupuncture, look into our other videos about facial gua sha. This is an ancient technique used on the face, and it feels like a massage. So I have lots of videos about it, and we also offer it at our office. So if you or anybody you know is looking to feel more vibrant from the inside out, please book an appointment and reach out.